Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Cleon Kosi and I'm a beauty service provider. My iPhone 17 Pro was stolen at home yesterday. I've been shooting and deleting because I feel like but this lady, Ulisedi Maposa, she's pregnant right now. And this lady, Nukanya Pretty Kumalo, stole my phone. My iPhone 17 Pro is silver. I'll attach a picture. This is my phone on the 15th of Jan 2026. So on Monday evening, get a message from a lady, Oti Kamala Kutum. She was not here when these two came. She came on Tuesday because she wanted to do her nails. Can't in special. When she comes, she has nails on. She look figure because she was on time. Uzengani athi uze nge-Bolt ngithi oh okay angene and I do a soak off. Immediately when we finished the soak off, she's like, can I come back Wednesday morning, which is the next day, because ngifuna ukuyolanda ingane and ngisaba ukuthi kuzoba mnyama. Ngithi mina oh okay sure ahambe. Immediately when she leaves, I lock immediately. Ngiphume nesikhiya ukuyokhiya mayiphuma when I'm escorting her out because my parents had just left for the gym, so I was left behind with my siblings. Okay, sharp. And then Wednesday morning she's supposed to come. She's like, she can't pull through, she's got work. Can she come on Thursday morning rather? Get sure. Evening later, I send the message for she can't make it, but her sister wants to come. Can she give her sister a slot sack? Her sister is the same lady that trended a while back for not paying for a rendered service. She gets here, she's pregnant. She calls for me outside. I think she's called me 2 or 3 times, while another woman called me immediately when this one had just sat down and ngiphume and I go see it's this woman. It is this woman outside and she's like, hi, how much are they? And unasi slots namhlanje. Because but I just have someone oqeda ukufika manje and uyenza izandla neenyawo. Can you come back around 3 ngempela? I start doing the pregnant one in Zipozake, and she starts complaining. Oh, she asked for a glass of water and ngimenzela. She starts complaining about hunger. She's hungry in and I there's a shop like you can go and check on, cause yeah. Ngempela she's like, no, asenze isiqede. Ngimenze isiqede. She was also meant to do her eyelashes, but she didn't do the eyelashes. Ngimenze isiqede. And then mase soqeda kufike this woman lo unokhanya and afika, because remember I said she must come around 3. She came 20 minutes before 3. Fine, afika hlale, and she also asked for a glass of cold water. Ngithi, can I finish up here and then ngizokusiza? Fine, ngempela ngilinde. Ngisukume ngihambe ngiyomenzela amanzi. I leave 2 of my phones, this one, the iPhone 13 and the 17, on the table. And then ngiyamenzela ngiyabuya. I finish with the pregnant one. Athi ucela ukuhlala ngaphandle. It's okay, sure. Ahlale ngempela ngaphandle. Next thing she's like, no, imoto iyeza elethi isikhwama sami, because ngishiya isikhwama and sinemali so I can uzokwazi ukukhokha ibalance, because remember her sister already paid a deposit. Hi, ngithi okay, sure. I mean, she's pregnant, ungamsolani. I start doing lo mama lo in Zipozake. Hardly 5 minutes, the pregnant one ufuna ukuya shop, and she comes back. She's like, hey, please come help me open the gates. I can't open the gates. Ngimlayela ukuthi open it as though you're opening a sliding door, because it's a sliding gate, so just slide it. And she's like, okay. She leaves and then she comes back and she's like, yo, I can't open it. Yo, can I finish here and then ngizokusiza? And then this one, this one insists that I go and help her out. Mind you, I had now given my little sister this phone, my iPhone 13, because she was besekangihlupha etafuleni. Ngempela ngomnika ifone, kusale my other phone on the table. Ukusukuma kwami, I don't take the phone, ngishiya etafuleni. Ngiyaphuma, because I mean I'm rushing, I'm coming back now, and she's just chilled and sitting there. I think ngomfaka ama-tips esandleni esisodwa on the other one, because her other hand nje angisazi ukuthi sinjani. I go outside and then yaphuma uyashesha uthi labantu engibavakashele bafuna isikhiya sasendlini and ngihambe naso thi ngibanikeze bala emotweni ngaphandle. Whereas when the pregnant lady came, ngimbuza ukuthi ufike ngani and ufike kanjani, because she didn't call me and ask for directions. She was like, how yimo lethu Tumi on Tuesday. Mind you, uTumi said ufike ngeBolt. There is no way that iBolt ingafika nomunye umuntu ijike nomunye, because she could have stayed if begeze naye. No, ufike ngeBolt uTumi. And then this one's like, no, ulethwe yimi. Ngithi, oh, athi yeah, okay, sure. This one kanti akazi ukuthi lo ungitshele esinye story, asho ukuthi ulethwe imoto. Ngempela ulethwe imoto ugeli lo pregnant, because when my dad came back from the gym, he saw this trending car, the Hyundai etrendayo. It's grayish in color, grayish silver. It was standing by the corner. Uthi since nje imile laphaya uze wayobuza ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani, are they lost or what? How kanti shuthi they are waiting for the ladies. So ngisamile egeyidini avele lo athi ufuna ukuhambisa isikhiya emotweni uyabuya. Fine. I think I stood there for 7 to 10 minutes, like I was totally zoomed out. Angiqabanga ukuthi let me close the gate or ngibheke ukuthi ukuphi. No, I think I stood there. Into engiphaphamisayo is an old man passing by angibingelela. Ngimbingelela back and I'm like, how, why ngime la ngivale igate ngingena endlini? I'm going to wait for her because she said she's coming back. Ngifike mangihlala phansi ngifuna ifoni yami, because I mean I can't just wait nje. I start looking around and then my phone is gone. This woman took my phone. The only way I was able to get her pictures is by searching her on TikTok. Ukuthi phones getting stolen at the salon. That is how I managed to find her pictures, her profile and her address, alongside this one, the pregnant one. This is the pregnant one. She's currently pregnant, because they had been doing that and they've been trending for it. Unfortunately, I did not see that when they were trending. So my phone is gone. I can't even track it anymore. But I called my service provider to block the phone and all the do's and don'ts. I did everything. But unfortunately, I can't track it anymore. Please be aware, ladies. If you are a nail tech, a lash tech, there's a lady that I know, Uwanda. She also posted her story, Ilana, on TikTok. She's a makeup artist too. The pregnant one, this one, went apparently as someone who wanted to do her makeup. While Shayama story she wants to get food, just like she did with me. So please, the thing is, I can't even say there's a specific number that they text you with, because immediately my saying the pregnant one is not returning, I texted to me, I'm like, hey, please check if your sister is okay. But Guhamba one tick, her profile picture is gone. And then I use my other WhatsApp on this phone, because I've got two WhatsApps, to try and see if inamba again. But it must check it's invite, so meaning they use different numbers all the time. So please be aware, please share this for me. And if anyone knows where I can find this lady, because I found the details of the other lady, if you know where I can find this one, I'd truly appreciate it if you let me know, because I feel like I did not deserve what they did. No one does. I worked so hard to get that phone, and they stole it in a matter of not even 5 minutes. They managed to do everything so quick. I worked so hard, but they were able to do that. And I think what hurts me the most is that it's women that did this. Yes, I would have understood if ngingaphandle someone uyadlula uyagijima ihluthe, but someone making themselves comfortable in my home, there bayayitshontsha ifoni yami just like that. But wow, I know who it is now. Please just let me know if you know where I can find this lady, or if you have an idea ukuthi uhlala kephi. I would truly appreciate. Please share and repost this so that other people can also be aware.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangikliyo Nkosi she's exposing bosses labayithu laba ajoinje iPhone 17 Pro yakhe mhla 15 January 2026. Magama labo sesi lo one ngilisedi wakamaphosa, the other one nginokukhanya Pretty wakaKhumalo. So guys, lapho sasilaba bayabhuka asisi hlampe wenda inhloko, wenda ama nails, wenda makeup, bayabhuka as bantu labafuna ayo services. Uma bafika baloku ba complaina ngendlala, ba complaina ngokuba tasty uyothi mawusukuma wena unyakada abashaye baqithe onemafoni akho onefoni yakho. So uyasho nje lo ntombatane ukuthi bantu laba nepo beauty salon, they needed to be careful because right now into lefana naleti OCD ya trend kakhulu. Bantu bayabhuka umuntu engazuthi ufuna iservice kana akafuni service, uyohamba aqithe nefoni abe ahamba ngakabhadali kwanaleyo service leyo abekatele yona. So uyasho nje ukuthi unbeen careful out there. Lama picture labo sesilaba agqwele lapha etenkundleni zokuxhumana, lokusho kona ukuthi abayijwayele lento vele bahlale bayenda baphila ngayo lento baze basabalele laphana etenkundleni zokuxhumana bantu ababaqaphele labo sisi. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.